Hi, this is Max from Arbitrage Hero, and in this short video I'm going to talk about what kind of business structure you want to choose for your Amazon FBA business. Usually you would be choosing between two options, whether to trade as an individual or sole trader or a corporation. Please note that I can't provide you with proper advice because I'm not accredited to give advice in that. I will tell you about my preferences here so you can decide by yourself. But before you open Amazon account, you have to decide what kind of business structure you are going to have. You can actually start trading as an individual, and then later on you can change the structure to become a corporation or limited company. In my case, I decided to go straight to a limited company. And the reason behind it was that I just didn't want to have a hassle of changing the structure, but you can do it without any issues with Amazon. I'm not sure about laws in the United States or any other countries, but in the UK, for example, if you have a job and you have a pretty high salary, you would be paying a lot of personal income tax already. And if you start trading as an individual, you will be paying much more in taxes from your income from Amazon. With a limited company, you would be paying flat 20% from your profits from your Amazon business. And another benefit of going with a corporation or limited company is that if somebody decides to sue you in the future, then they will be suing your company but not you personally. As an individual or sole trader, you will be personally responsible to any legal challenges. Before you open Amazon account, you have to decide that, because during the process of registration, Amazon will ask you what kind of business structure you have. They will ask you about a business name, business address, and registration number. I hope this was helpful. This was Max from Arbitrage Hero. Thank you for watching.